guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Nyjee, but everyone calls me Nyjee, so you already know, you can call me Nyjee. Let's make some brownies. So let's start with our ingredients. We're gonna be using some box brownies, but we're gonna completely transform it. So don't even worry about it. So grab your favorite box brownies. I'm gonna be using the Ghirardelli Triple Fudge, it's one of my favorite box brownies. And I'm gonna be using some eggs and some oil, you know, but to really finesse it, you gotta melt down some Hershey's chocolate yourself, okay? And then I'm gonna have some Reese Cups that I melted down. I didn't even know I could melt down Reese's Cups, but I guess you can. I'm gonna also use some milk, melted butter, and then a little bit of vanilla extract, okay? That's really gonna like intensify our brownie mix this time. So I'm gonna add all my liquid ingredients and give it a good old mix, just how you would make your normal brownies. The only thing that I'm not going to add immediately is the little packet of chocolate they give you in the box. We're going to use that way down the line for something else, but just give it a good mix, really intertwine that Hershey's rich chocolate. This really transforms the chocolate that is already in the brownie mix, but you're giving it more depth. After I'm happy with the mixture, I'm going to line a brownie pan with some parchment paper and just pour that in there. Listen, little 10-year-old Nyjee would have poured a little bit in here and just ate this bowl, honey. But, you know, I'm going to be correct and I'm going to pour it all in the pan, I guess. So afterwards, I put my Reese's Cups that I melted down into my brownie mix after I poured it in the pan and then mixed it around. I realized that when it was baking, the peanut butter seeped through, which gave a really nice gooiness, and I really enjoyed that. And then I'm just gonna rough chop some Reese's Cups that I had. I like putting my Reese's Cups in the freezer, so that's why they were a little difficult to chop, but nonetheless I just rough chop some and just add it to the top just so it can have a different texture along with the brownies.
Switch it up, 2-stroke.
So after I'm finished with that, I'm going to stick these in the oven for about 49 minutes, just so everything can cook through, the peanut butter can reach all the corners and edges, and mostly because I like the cake-like texture for my brownies. That's completely a preference. But yeah, y'all, this is a box brownie mix. I know y'all didn't even think that a box brownie could have the range, but it is all about that melted butter and really incorporating some other ingredients, that vanilla extract, for example, just to heighten the depths of the chocolate within it, okay? You don't always have to follow the box, okay? Think outside the box. And remember when I said that little packet of chocolate they give you in the box that we were going to use for something else? This is what we're going to use it for. Just giving it a little garnish and a little, you know, pizzazz. And there you have it, the most fudgiest box brownies with Reese's Cups. I couldn't have asked for more. Triple chocolate can't even describe how ooey and gooey and deliciously chocolate these brownies are. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to comment. I want to hear from you as always, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.